then click it, just drag it, drop, click, and then just drag. Okay. Oh, hi guys. Welcome again. Okay, so this is Tutor Jacko at your service. All right. Well, for today's video, so I'm gonna continue my series on Canva. Okay. So this time, series tayo videos about Canva. This is Canva tutorial. Okay. So again, sa mga Jackonatics natin dyan, so hi sa inyo, and hope you stay tuned and watch this video till the end. All right, and thank you by the way for what all your support. Okay, so again, I made a video also how to make an awesome YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so you can actually see it in the description of this. The link of that video is in the description, and also you can see it up there. Okay, and also the thumbnail. Okay, so you can also see it here. And yeah, so yeah, this is a series. This is my second video about Canva. So I already taught you know what is Canva, but to give emphasis, okay, for this particular video. So what is Canva? So Canva again, it is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. Okay, so the app includes templates for users to use. The platform is free to use. All right, and they also offer for paid subscriptions like Canva Pro and Canva for Enterprise for additional functionality. Okay, so kung gusto niyo mas gumanda yung mga graphics design niyo, videos, design for your business, and if you would also like to improve your graphic skills. Again, here in Canva, hindi na kailangan yung skills mo talaga na magaling ka like Photoshop or anything. Even beginners like you can create awesome graphics and video designs, okay, here in Canva. Okay, so stay tuned. And then this time, I will be making a YouTube intro. Okay, so yeah, no, in YouTube kasi mas maganda na you have an intro and also at the same time you also have like a YouTube outro. Okay, so the beginning of the video, you can actually create a channel trailer, okay, uh, for for your YouTube videos. Okay, channel trailer, introduction, and then also um, a good outro. Okay, so makikita yung outro mo doon sa after yung matapos yung video mo, mayroon kang ilagay doon ng mga something. Okay, especially if you are making an end screen. Okay, so maganda talaga na you have to have an intro. Okay, so this time I will make a YouTube intro and I'm gonna share it. Okay, I'm doing a screen share for this. Okay, so let's shift now to our screen sharing. Okay, so we're here now in our Canva. Again, if wala ka pang account in Canva, so you can sign up. Okay, so for signing up, I put a link in this video. Okay, so how to sign up for free, of course, using Canva platform. Okay, so ngayon, andito na tayo. So we will be doing or we will be creating a YouTube intro. Okay? So again, pag hindi mo siya makita dyan, okay, so you just need to, click create a design and then you just have to search YouTube intro. Okay? So good thing kasi kapag ginaganito mo na siya, and then YouTube intro is meron siyang 1020 and 1080 pics. Okay, so ganyan. So just click it in and then of course lalabas dyan. Okay, so actually meron siyang 5 seconds. Okay, so yan. Okay, so you can actually put a name like YouTube intro. Okay, para whenever you save it, ano na yung title niya. So this is YouTube intro. Okay? So, yan, blanco pa. So, walang mga, ano, walang masyadong mga, wala ka masyadong makikita dyan. Okay? So, again, so you have a lot of elements. Okay? So, you have templates. So, you can use free templates. Okay, balik tayo dito. Okay? So, if you want to make an intro like this one, okay? So, just click it. Just as easy as that. Okay. So when you make an intro, like for example, um, yung ini-intro ko talaga is Tutor Jacko. Okay. So just edit it. Okay. So ganyan. So dito nilagay ko, yung pwede kong ilagay how to, mga how to videos kasi yung ginagamit ko, and then life, and then also um, what's this? Okay, work, fun, etc. Okay, so andyan talaga si etc. Okay, so we will reduce it to 50 para mas malaki-laki yung ating screen. Oh, pala siya. Okay, so we'll just have it 25. Okay, or you can reduce it using this one, or yeah, you can resize para mas maklaro mo yung ano mo, yung let's back to 25 instead. Okay, so yeah, and then yeah, if you have uploaded videos already, yeah, like for example this one, I already have uploaded a video, so you just can then click it, just drag it, drop, click, and then just drag. Okay, so as you can see, it's a 2 minute and 19 seconds the video. Okay, so if you will try to play it to preview this one, so ayan. Mm, mm. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's how easy it is. Okay, so if you will really make videos, so you can add a lot of photos. Okay, so you can put other text, with different font styles. Okay, may mga free tayo dito na mga font styles. Okay, and then yeah, for some effects, so you can actually create. Okay, so you can also add an audio if you want. Okay, so you remember in our upload portion, so you can add an image, you can add a video, and then you can also upload an audio. Okay, so ang dami-dami na, and then you can have your different backgrounds. So even a photo of you can use it as a background. Okay, and then many other things. Okay, so in here also you also have like a lot of editing elements here. Okay, so like for example the transparent one. Okay, so you can have it transparent. Okay, like that. So di ba ang galing. Okay, and then also for the positioning, so ganyan, I'm in the position. Okay, so you can forward, backward, top, left, bottom. Okay, and then yeah, just explore. Okay, and then you can also flip, like for example, gusto mo siyang i-flip na vertical, so ganyan. Or ganon, kung hindi mo gusto ang angle, so you can also flip. Okay, so again, here in Canva, it's just, as easy as clicking, copy, pasting, and then, yeah, that's it. And then, you can also use the different elements that we have in here. Okay, so again, okay, so you can use the different elements, so you can use like for example different designs. So if you want like flowers, okay, designs here, and then good thing because we have transparent. Okay, so transparent na mga designs, like for example this one, so you can also put it here para merong something na nagbe-blink dyan. Okay, so you can reduce the size. So it's really easy. Okay, so hindi mo na kailangan na magkaroon ka ng skill in Photoshop, no? And what else? Okay, kung gusto mo talaga masyadong makulay ang mga buhay, gaya ng gulay, masyadong makulay. Okay. Kung gusto mo masyadong makulay, ganyan, and everything, okay? So yan lang. Okay, so yeah, you can actually use, and there's a lot of free elements that you can use when you make this, when you make a YouTube intro. Okay, so actually, I'm gonna show you now, yung isa sa mga output ko, with this, uh, in this platform. So, ito yung aking ano, okay? So, ayan. So, ito yung aking ano, ginawang new channel trailer. So this is actually from Canva. Ayan. So, yan. That's for fun. Okay? And then itong video na ito, this is actually from Canva. So, ayan. So, nalagyan ko lang ng and more. Kasi nga, marami pa tayong mga gustong gawing content. Ayan. So, ayan. Tut, 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 tut. Okay. Then also, this one. Okay, yung ending part, this is actually my outro. Okay? Again, this is a video from Canva. And ito, out of YouTube na ito. Ito yung ganito. So, ang nilagay ko lang dito, yung raw, ito is wala itong tatlo. Ito, wala ito, wala ito, wala ito. So, ganito lang. Ito, ganyan. So, makita yan. This is actually a template from Canva. Okay? So, importante kasi mayroon kayong end screen na makikita also, enticing people to subscribe your channel. Okay? So, ganyan. So, yeah. This is really good, okay, for YouTubers, okay, especially to those parang gusto nila talagang pagandahin pa yung kanilang mga YouTube channel. Is one way of you know what one way of increasing your views is to have these elements. Okay, so you have a good intro, and at the same time also you have a good outro. Okay, and here in Canva you can have it here. Okay, so yeah, be excited ako when I edit. Excited ako what to put on. Okay, excited ako yung ano yung magiging output ng aking ginagawa dito, whether it's a thumbnail or an intro or YouTube. Or you can also actually you can edit actually your video here. This is a good editing platform, guys. So pwede nyo rin i-incorporate, like for example ako yung ginagawa ko dito sa Canva. Kasi free lang naman yung ginagamit ko na account for now. Maybe in the near future, I will be using Canva Pro, Pro, Canva Pro for me to really, create a good output. Okay, so ganito guys, makikita ninyo, maganda na yung output na free. Okay, what more if you will subscribe also to their Pro plan? Okay, and then hopefully one day, okay, if I will have my own business, okay, so I can subscribe to their enterprise plan. Okay? So, yeah. Yan yung ito yung talagang platform na very helpful guys in my YouTube channel. So, well, again, that's it for today, guys. By the way, thank you for watching, and also thank you for patronizing, and thank you for subscribing. Okay, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Click the subscribe button and click the notification bell. And also, if you like this video, okay, just like it, click like. And then if you want a shout out, just comment down below. And also, if you have questions, I'm ready to answer. And if you have like suggestions for my next video, then you can also suggest it. Okay, so that's it for today, guys, and thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. So bye for now. See you soon.